Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to log in WhatsApp on your Windows laptop. So let's begin our video. So first you need to open your WhatsApp. There you can see I just open it. Now there you can see there have showing a QR code, and that is showing to use WhatsApp on your computer. Open WhatsApp on your mobile on your phone. Tap on menu, three dot or settings, and then select linked device. Print your phone to scan this capture and code. So we need to move on your phone right now. So let's go. So guys, on my mobile phone I just open my WhatsApp, and then now I need to go on this three dot. Then there you can see a option linked device. Click it, and then there have a option linked a device. Just click it, then touch a fingerprint, then a scanning option is showing. You just scan this QR code on your laptop. Okay, that's done. There you can see there is showing tap a device to log out, and device status there is showing a device where you connected in its Windows. So now you need to move on your laptop, then I showing you it's working or not. So guys, now I open my WhatsApp on my laptop. So there you can see I open, and there you can see my WhatsApp already logged in. So guys, in this way you can log in your WhatsApp on your laptop or PC. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.